There are several methods commonly used to charge for temporary electrical service in new residential construction projects. These methods include time-based billing, fixed fees, materials costs, a hybrid approach, and a large upfront fee. Firstly, a time-based approach involves charging an hourly rate for the time spent installing the temporary service. This method is straightforward and reflects the actual labor involved. Commonly charged rates for time-based billing range from $75 to $150 per hour. Secondly, establishing a fixed fee that covers the entire installation process regardless of the time taken. This method simplifies billing and eliminates any concerns about overbilling. Typical fixed fees range from $500 to $2,000. Thirdly, charging for the cost of all materials used, including wire, conduit, meter-based, and other necessary components. This method ensures full compensation for the materials provided. However, it may not account for the time spent installing them. The typical cost of materials can range from $500 to $1,500. Fourthly, a hybrid approach combines time-based and cost of materials charges. This method provides a balance between fairness and profitability. A hybrid approach often involves a fee of $500 to $1,000, plus the cost of materials. Fifthly, charging a large upfront fee to mitigate the risk of customers using the temporary service for extended periods or finding cheaper electricians. This fee can be credited towards the cost of the permanent service installation once the project is complete. Large upfront fees typically range from $2,000 to $5,000. Several considerations can affect the pricing strategy for temporary electrical services. If the temporary service materials can be reused on subsequent jobs, the cost of materials may be reduced. The distance from the meter to the construction site can affect the cost of materials and labor. Municipal regulations may dictate the type of temporary service allowed and the fees that can be charged. A strong customer relationship can influence the method of charging. Consider offering incentives for timely payment or referring other customers. Ultimately, the best method for charging will depend on individual business factors, market conditions, and customer preferences.